Lisa, welcome to my channel. You know what? I thought it would be fun today to take you guys along with me to pick up some merchandise that has just come in from my supplier. I've been out of town for a couple weeks and I've got a lot of boxes. So I just thought you might want to see what it's like to pick up all my merchandise, take it over to my workspace, and just enjoy a day with me. So if you're new here, I'm Elisa. I've been selling for the last 17 years. I sell on Etsy, I sell on eBay, I sell on a little bit on Amazon, and I've been really focused on my own website. My mantra is really just building your own house, building your own playground, and just setting yourself up for success. I'm kind of breaking away from some of the platforms and feeling like you're just stuck there. So I have been able to do that. It's been a slow grind, but I'm getting it done. So I'm going to head out to my postal box, pick up my packages, and then we're going to take them over to my live workspace, and I'll show you that. So if you have time, hang out with me today, and welcome. So let's go. First, I'm going to grab my computer because I can't go anywhere without my laptop. Okay. All right, so I've got my computer now. Let's get on the road. Okay, I've got my computer bag, I've got my water, and let's go to the post box. Okay, this is not good. How am I going to get out of here? My daughters were home from college using the cars, and we just went on a trip. So now I got to make sure I can get into my truck. I definitely need a truck today because I have a lot of boxes to pick up. Okay, why can't anything just start off easy? It's just like business. Finally, we can get to the postal box. That was a lot of work.
Actually, it's really important that if you don't have a commercial location for your business, that you may want to consider getting a postal box. Let's go inside.
Okay, so I finally got back from the craziness of just trying to go get my packages. Like I said before, it's important that you have a P.O. box or a place that you can go to that has a commercial address on it. You don't want people just showing up if you're working at home at your home. So it's a really good investment if you feel like it. For the safety of yourself and your family, just get yourself a P.O. box. You can get one with a full street address. And if you have a commercial building, then that might not be necessary. I do have a workspace. I did buy a residence so that I can work out of. So I have a 4-story townhome here. I absolutely love it because I'm crafty and because I work with my hands. I do need sometimes to just feel like my space is where I want to be. So most of the time I do work down here on the lower floor. When I make my handmade clothes, I'm using different substrates that have some gases that expel. And so for my safety, I need a nice open space. So I choose kind of to work in the garage when I'm pressing. And then I have some offices upstairs. So we're going to unpack these boxes. I'm going to carry them up to the 3rd floor and unpack them and see what kind of goodies I got today. So I'm excited to put these up on my website and to get them out to consumers. I don't put any of these types of products on my Etsy shop because they are licensed and they are manufactured by a licensed company. The only products that I put on my Etsy shop, I make myself. For my Shopify site, I have a mixture of my own handmade goods and licensed products from my distributors and manufacturers. So it gives me a really nice mix, and it opens me up to some different consumers that maybe I wouldn't be able to get on Etsy. And so I also sell these products sometimes on eBay. I use Marketplace Connect, which connects my Shopify site to my eBay store. And it just has a really nice flow to it, where you do have to remember you have to change your title structure, but it just makes integration so much easier. Again, nothing is easy when it comes to the different platforms. They all do take different types of SEO, but it is nice to just filter them straight over to the eBay platform, since these are products that can be sold on eBay. Now, at some of my manufacturers, they don't allow you to sell their products on Amazon. Some don't allow you to sell them on any third-party websites, such as eBay, Mercari, all of those sites. So with this particular manufacturer, I am allowed to ship them over to the eBay platform. So anyway, I'm going to unload my truck, and I'm going to go up to the 3rd floor and unpack some of these boxes. So thank you for joining me, and I'm glad that you're here at my channel again. And let's get going. This is the 2nd floor of my workspace, and it's nice and spacious. I feel like I need a really good space to work in if I'm going to create. Maybe I'm weird, but I'm a creative. And I have to have a nice creative space. So we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor. So this is my fun office that I love. Again, I'm a creative.